Welcome to Informational Writing, Lesson 8, Essential Question, How do authors find facts to share in their reports? So today, what I would like you to do is choose a topic that you want to research, to learn more about, and then you are going to write about that topic. So remember, your topic should be narrowed down to a seed topic. So don't tell me you would like to research France, but focus on a specific portion of France or an area or a time or a place. If you would like to research football, what about football would you like to learn about? Would you like to learn about the Dallas Cowboys or one particular player like Patrick Mahomes? Narrow your topic down to a seed topic. And then today, what you're going to do is learn more about that topic. And you're going to make sure that you can find information about your topic. So even if you already know some information about your topic, you're going to need more, and you're going to need resources to provide you facts about your topic. So you need to become more of an expert about your topic. So today, what you're going to do is you have nothing to turn in today, but you're going to use Epic or the Hillcrest Library website to learn more about your topic once you have chosen a topic. So first, come up with a topic. Second, use Epic, which is not linked, or the Hillcrest Library, which is linked. You can click right here, and it will take you to the third grade library website. And what you're going to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and use Capstone, PebbleGo, or you can click here under books.usd497.org, and you're going to use these resources to help you find information about your topic. So these two websites, Capstone and PebbleGo, will take you directly in. If you use books.usd497.org, you probably have to log in. So that one's going to be a little more difficult if you don't know your username and password. So focus on Capstone and PebbleGo and Epic. You can also use RazKids if you can get logged in, or you can use Freckle if you can log into that. So we're going to focus on these two for now. See if you can find your topic and find information. And then if not, tomorrow during our live lesson, we will talk about what you can do to find information about your topic. So choose a topic, try to find information about it using these resources. So make sure you use the search bar in Epic or under PebbleGo to search for your topic so you can find information about your topic. So like if you log into PebbleGo here, you can go and search under these different tabs, or you can go right up to the top, and let's say I want to learn more about Messi. It'll take me right to a book about Messi. Once you're done with that, use your writing time to research today, and then tomorrow we'll talk about your topics and what to do with that information. Thank you.